The bioeconomy is the viable pathway to a sustainable future, right? It gives us specific things that we can do in materials that are renewable instead of fossil-based, right? So what we're trying to move, a fundamental thing we're trying to do is move away from fossil fuels. And to do that, there has to be a material basis for the future. You know, we talk a lot about the cyber aspect of the future, and that's very exciting, but we still need stuff made of things, right? So we still need cars, and those cars, or I should say, we still need mobility, right? And mobility, we still have to get transported in something. What is that thing going to be made of, right? Is it going to be made of steel, and is it going to be made of plastic, or can it be made from wood composites and bio-based polymers, right? And that's part of this, a real sustainable future.